Merry Christmas, guys. It's Santa Harvey here with my friend Nuala.
Who is obviously his favourite reindeer, but we don't talk about that.
Reindeer number one. So we had the fantastic idea to dress up as Santa.
And reindeer.
Yeah, I've got 6 reindeer outfits.
And elves.
And 2 elves. Here's us buying all the sweets in the supermarket with my brother. I'm not sponsored, so I had to buy them all.
Which is a hint.
But yeah, the idea is that we're going to ride around London, spread as much Christmas cheer as possible.
AKA chuck sweets at children as hard as we can.
And give out sweets to people, try and make people smile. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you also enjoy the video. Yes. Yes. Goodbye. Love you. Love you.
Kisses!
Hello. Chill pace, go, 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 go! Right, if someone waves, go and give them. We'll like go up to them. We'll give them a present.
All right, keep my eye out.
His thing is like flapping in the wind.
Hello.
Of course, say hello to the reindeer.
Let's see. We're in convoy, big formation.
Let's go right now, guys.
Let's go.
We are looking good. It's Prius in front of us. There are the lights. Give this guy some sweets. Come to the front. Come to the front on the left. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes!
Merry Christmas, yo!
Right, hold on.
Yo.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Oh, there's loads of you. Come on.
How are you?
Come on. Come on.
Love.
Merry Christmas. Thanks, mate. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yo! Merry
How's it going? Merry Christmas! Cheers! That's sick!
Don't miss it, don't miss it, don't miss it!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! So we can give them stuff, you know? Merry Christmas!
He's got the live stream up.
Oh, you are there? Merry Christmas!
Doing it? Can you hear him?
Yeah, I can. I can't really hear what he's saying. I'm saying like Merry Christmas!
Left. And then you're going straight on here.
Yeah.
Like.
Don't sleep on the bicycle. Merry Christmas, guys!
Are there sweets?
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Oh, sorry. Oh!
Merry Christmas!
Oh, what a day.
What a day.
Santa's coming through.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yay! Hey! Come on! Yeah, there you go. Merry Christmas! Yeah. There you go, right, there you go. Merry Christmas!
Here we are, it's loose here.
Merry Christmas!
There you go. Well, there's loads of people.
Merry Christmas!
Do you want some sweets? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's sweets. Go on then. Enjoy it. Merry Christmas.
Sweets. Merry Christmas. Bit weird.
Haribos or Maltesers or something. Lots of stuff. Go on. Have two.
Which one's Harvey?
Have one each. What?
Which one's Harvey?
Oh yes, that's Harvey. Yeah.
Santa suit.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Harvey.
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm a follower.
Oh,
Follower.
nice to meet you. It's me. The eyes. See ya. Oh wait, we'll probably do, give it Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Have you got any left?
Oh God.
Oh! There you go. Fist bump. Boom. Hey. Joe, have you got sweets? Have you got sweets? There you go. Yeah.
Merry Christmas. Have a nice day.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh my god, you have so many.
Yeah. Can you hold that open, please? I think we're going to put them in there. Thank you.
How long did it take to wrap all?
Fuck, a lot, like an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. There you go. Right. Should we roll out? Oh, sorry, it's the second time I've done that. Hold on, these guys. Saw you looking, I saw you looking. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. You changed your mind? You changed your mind now? There you go. You're not too sure.
Not too sure.
Are you posting on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay, can I find
Yeah. There's the keyboard's all weird.
oh,
Where's the Y?
the Y?
Oh, here. Yellow jacket man.
Yellow jacket, man.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, it's for you, I wrapped it for you.
For you. I wrapped it for you. Let's go there, yeah.
Can you see the formation? You see the formation? Come on, have Santa Claus present. There you go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Quick. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, really? See ya. Bye. Good vibes all round. Woo! It's chocolate. Merry Christmas. They weren't sure to begin with, and then you're going round the roundabout, then right.
Okay. All right.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
The spirit of Christmas is back. You cannot run away from it.
Merry Christmas. Where the traffic lights are at the top, we're going left. Just so you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. There you go, bro.
We're going left, yeah. What's he doing? Hello. These kids in a taxi want sweets. Have you got any?
Oh, I'll go around. There you go. For them. Should try and give some to the police.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
Compliment of the keeper. That man is a keeper. He's ready to cut.
Yeah. Very good. That was cool.
Merry Christmas. Run down for your present.
There you go. Bribery.
Bribery, mate. We are on their good side.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
And then you wanna.
Don't know if you want to follow him.
Hey! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
And then we're going right at the roundabout outside the Royal Albert Hall.
Okay.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Yeah.
Can't get them out fast enough. Who wants it? Who wants it?
This is what Christmas is about! Round the back! Round the back! There's one!
There you go. There you go. Do you get your dad to take it? You're a bit scared. There you go, there you go, there you go. Looking smart, looking great.
Go on, you take some for him. No problem. You want it? Catch it. Nice.
It's the last one for you. That's alright, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
That's so nice.
There you go. Well, bye. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Christmas, yeah! Merry Christmas, yeah! Have a wonderful Christmas!
Wholesome vibes, wholesome vibe. That was good.
That was really cool.
That was so good.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
That was very cool.
That was nice, man. That was really cool.
Oh, that was good.
That was good. Are we all out? Yeah, we're all out on that side. We're on that side. Completely done. Done. Well done, everyone. JB really helped as well.
Hey! Hello! Merry Christmas, yeah!
That was good. That was
I
good.
did a couple of wheelies and I was like, ah, it's probably going to get annoyed about doing something. I'm like,
Little ones. Little ones aren't that bad.
Some of you found me because of the live stream, which is really cool. That's my brother Humphrey.
Bro.
That's my brother. He led the pack. He led the pack at the front.
Really? I'm a pack leader. I like to brag about it.
That was fun. Yeah.
This is you, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I saw your face. Now I'm feeling better. Every single day trying to whack on my bike.
Where have you just come from? Were you just riding with?
I saw the live and I was like, where is the guy? I'm the live and I saw you with your brother.
Really, really, really? You saw from the live? That's cool.
Fucking there. So now,
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hugs from strangers, yeah.
I'm a very good fan for you and I wish you will just keep like sharing videos with us and then
Yeah, man.
I always want to see you but I've never met you before.
Oh, really? Well, there you go.
Yeah.
It's happened.
I saw you in reality.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's good. What's your name?
My name is Bas, you can call me Bas.
Okay, cool.
And I'm like, always watching you on the videos.
Oh, really? Oh.
I'm a big fan.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so kind. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day, yeah? He saw me on the live and came over. It's so cool.
Your jacket burned because it was super close to the exhaust.
Hey, oh, look at that camera work. The twist, the stance. The stance on that guy. Hey, thank you for your help. That was awesome.
That was so fun. No problem, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You're the best.
Lovely thing to do.
That was cool.
I'm gonna come to the shed back.
Okay, cool. Thank you, thank you.
Great.
Thank you. That was really good fun. We go to the shed and chill, I think. Thank you.
as well. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Elf 2. Oh.
Elf number 1, man.
Thank you, Humphrey.
Sorry?
Carlo, it's your turn.
What am I doing?
Hugging me.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Thank you, man.
That was good fun, man.
Nice
to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you for the ride, man.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Thank
Happy anyway.
yeah. I'm glad you came as well. I'm glad you came. Good to meet you. Good to meet you. Yes, sir. You come back to the shed. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Thank you so much. Thank you. Done. Complete.
Why am I friends with these people?